So today I'm checking out the ambush mosquito trap. What this is basically a device that will help you get control of your yard and get the mosquitoes out so you can sit outside and enjoy your yard. So let's take a look at what this is. Like I said, this is called the ambush mosquito trap. It lures mosquitoes and biting midges. It says there's 6 attractants to lure mosquitoes and other biting insects. And once we open it up, let's see what we have. Looks like I may have to put this together. Looks like there's a handle. Okay, here's the main device. This is what you set up in your yard. You turn it on, and it's supposed to help get rid of the mosquitoes. Looking at it, it's got a little trap down here to hold all the bugs. Let's see what else is in the box. The power cord. And I guess this goes on top. So, looks like also included is the instructions. And this is the ambush lure. I guess this is the ingredient that you put into the trap, and that's what lures mosquitoes to go inside this item, and it basically kills mosquitoes. So, like I said, this is the first time I'm looking at it, and I'm just trying to figure out how it works. So, you put the lure up here, you put the cap on, close it, and then plug it in. And let's see what it says. It's got the different items like carbon dioxide, optional, warm plate, UV light, light cases, so different things, powerful fan to lure the mosquitoes. It's supposed to work for a ½ acre. It's portable. You can use it outdoor. And it's supposed to imitate human breath to lure and trap mosquitoes. Very interesting. I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and then I'll be back showing you how it works.